Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix low-level fatal error missing ANGELSCRIPT CALLSTACK the finals, right? So the first thing what I suggested to you here is to update your operating system. First of all, you need to go to settings, Windows Update, check for updates, and if there is update for you that you need to download and install it, please do so. Restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. Same thing with your GPU drivers. I'm using NVIDIA, so there is GeForce Experience app to that. If you're using AMD, I believe there is the AMD Radeon. Go to drivers, check for updates. If there is an update, please download and install it. And also you can do with device manager. On device manager, display adapters, right click, update driver, and search automatically, right? And then restart your computer, and you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then of course another well-known thing is to go to properties, install files, and verify integrity of the game files. So maybe your files is corrupted and need to be fixed. And for some players, helped one method: if they use windowed mode on the game, they turn to full screen and the problem was fixed. And if they used full screen, they just on the game itself, settings, video settings, they put windowed mode. And if this doesn't help you, then I suggest you, if there is a possibility, reinstall game to another drive. And to do so, simply there is an option on Steam. You just need to go to settings, storage, and here you will find the games that you have on your PC. Then you need to press arrow, add drive if you don't have it. And then as you can see here, I have this one. And then what you need to do here is to select the game and move to another drive. And for some people it helped as well. But if you don't have a possibility to do that, I then suggest you to just reinstall the game and look if the problem persists or not. Right, so yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.